What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows can't connect to this network error message on your computer. If you're trying to connect to the same network that you were previously connected and just by some reason you're getting this error message and you just can't connect to it, so here's a few things you can try to fix this issue. First one, we need to forget the network and we need to reconnect to it. So we need to right click on this little globe and then press on Open Network and Internet Settings. When this window is gonna appear, press on Wi-Fi and then Manage Known Networks. And then right here, you're gonna see all the networks that you were connected previously. You can either remove the one that you can't connect to or just remove all of them. And then once you do that, try to reconnect again and see if you're going to be able to connect to this network and see if issue is going to be resolved. The next thing, we need to toggle airplane mode switch on and off. So if you press on this little like a message or notification icon, and then you should be able to see this menu right here. If you're not going to see it, most likely it's going to be like this. Then press on expand and then you'll see airplane mode. Press on it once. And then once it's going to turn blue, press on it one more time and then try to reconnect again. And the next thing, we need to uninstall driver for your network adapter. So press on start and type device manager. And then open device manager control panel. And then in here, we need to expand network adapters. Choose your adapter. Most likely it's going to be something like Intel dual band wireless AC. Right click on it and then press on uninstall device and then put a check mark next to delete driver software for this device and then press on uninstall. It's going to uninstall device. Then what you can do, you can just right click on it and then press on scan for hardware changes. And as you can see, after it's scanned, it detected my network adapter and it reinstalled the driver automatically. Also, you can reboot your system and it's going to do the same thing. And then another thing we can do, press on start and type CMD and open command prompt. And in here, type following commands: netsh, winsock reset, and then press enter. And if, for example, if we see this message stating this requested operation require elevation, run as administrator, so what we need to do, we can close this and then again press on Windows key and type CMD and then right click on it and then run as administrator. And then once this window is gonna appear, same thing, net sh winsock reset and then enter. The next command, net sh int IP reset and then enter. Then IP config space / release, enter, and then same command, just renew. And this command is actually not doing anything because you are actually not connected to the internet. And then also one more thing we can do, IP config space / flush DNS. And then now try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. And if that's still not gonna help, then next thing we need to do, reset your network settings. And we can close command prompt. Press on start and press on settings, or you can just type settings. And then in here, press on network and internet, then press on status, and then scroll down and then press on network reset and press on reset now. And once this message is gonna appear, just press on yes. And then you'll get this message and it's going to sign out and then it will restart your system. The next thing we need to do, we need to disable IPv6 on your computer. Most likely, if you're at home or at work, you are still using IPv4. And if IPv6 is enabled, in some cases, it might cause conflict or that error. So right click on a globe and then press on Open Network and Internet Settings. And then in here, change adapter options and then right click on your Wi-Fi and then click on properties. And then in here, you'll see Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv version 6 is enabled. So we need to uncheck this check mark and then press on OK. And then the last thing we need to do, we need to use Network Troubleshooter. So we can close this, and in settings, we need to go back home. Or if you'll just press on start and then press on settings here, or just type settings and open settings app, you'll see this screen. Then we need to press on update and security. And then in here, press on troubleshoot. And then in here, we need to press on additional troubleshooters. And then once we're going to see this screen, we need to scroll down and then find network adapter, press on it, and then run troubleshooter. And then in here, we need to choose what exactly we're troubleshooting. If we're troubleshooting Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, or we can just press on all network adapters and then press next. And then if you will see this message, you can press on show me a list of available networks or skip this step. And then same thing right here. You can check to see if problem is fixed or skip this step. And then if it's going to find any issues, like in my case, you can try to fix this and see if it's going to fix your issues. So one of my issues is you have no preferred wireless network. I have to reconnect. And the second one, the network cable is not properly plugged in, or it may be broken. So if you have network cable or something, you can try to reconnect with network cable, or with wireless, just try to reconnect. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to fix your Windows can't connect to this network error message. And if by some reason it's still not gonna connect, then maybe there is actual Wi-Fi issue, or there is a problem with your Wi-Fi card on your computer. This is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.